¿Qué onda, mucha? Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Please like and subscribe. We are going to discuss the Olitans tie bomber today. This magnificent piece of titanium in Bowler M390 steel. So stick around. So this is a medium size, I would say. It's not small. It's not large by any chance, but it fits my hand just perfectly. It's a thick boy, so full titanium construction, milled pocket clip, frame lock with steel overstop and thumb stub deployment. It's buttery smooth. Look at that. Jeez. It comes very sharp out of the box. It's a Bowie or aggressive clip point. No, I think it's a Bowie. And yeah, it's a bargain what they are selling it for. For the materials, it's less than $170 right now, and it's in stock. Or again, just look at the construction. The fit and finish is amazing. The show side, minimal branding. There's the steel, Bowl M390. And this thing is a beauty. It's so fun to open and cut with. It has jimping right on the spine, or more pressure if you're doing something hard. Yeah, this is just bargain. You need to handle one of these just to see how the quality and craftsmanship of the product, of the piece. Okay, so let's do some comparisons so you can have an idea of the size. Here it is compared to the Harmony Tier 2 from Spyderco. This is way larger, but this is thicker. It's a thick boy, but helps with the ergonomics when you handle it. So yeah, obviously, the cutting edge is not that because of the choil, the PM2. It's almost the same cutting edge as the PM2. It's this much more of a slicer because the stock of this one is slightly thicker. And here it is compared to the Delica, which is much more comparable in size. And yeah, we have more cutting edge on the Olitans tie bomber. Very different blade shapes, of course, but this is similar size. I would say the more comparable size overall would be the NAV's Lander 3. It's almost the same size. Cutting edge, a little bit more on the tie bomber. Different blade shapes, of course. But yeah, this would be a very comparable size. Let's see the size of the hardware. T8 for the pivot screw and the clip point and the clip screw. The oh yeah, the body has also T8s, which is nice. I don't think nope, this would be a T6, but everything else is T8. My trusty old tackle. So there you go. This is a mini review of the TIE Bomber by Olitans. Hope you like it. Please check it out. Join the Facebook group. And there are more to come from Olitans. Highly recommended. This is very sharp. Trust me. And there is absolutely no blade play at all. This is built like a tank. So, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. And if you have any comments, please do so down below. And yeah, see you later.